Ladies and gentlemen, Kim here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading. Today, market is up about 1.5%. There on the S&P Nasdaq 2.5, semiconductor 2 Dow about 1%. There Russell 2000 transport banks. These guys are up about 1% or so. Energy is down only sector with the red print today. Biotech 2% positive. Healthcare 1. Home builders up a little bit along the utilities. Retail up 2%, emerging market up 1.3%, Bitcoin down, gold silver miners are up, dollar down, oil down, treasury bond up, VIX is down about 10%. There, let's stick with the S&P 500 ETF. Spider, 65-minute chart here. So this is where we closed yesterday, and it looks like we actually saw that gap up. That's what we opened up today. And so that short term or the micro term moving average, right? The micro term moving average that you're seeing, that dotted green line there. Micro term moving average been acting as a resistance last several or a couple weeks or so. And that looks like it continued to act as a resistance here all throughout yesterday. The bulls kind of needed to see that gap up anyway to kind of, I don't know, find any kind of life here in this difficult market we've been facing here in the year of 2022. And we did see that gap up, so we've been consolidating, grinding all day, but it did look like the market did come down a little bit of shenanigan on that 5th hour. Fill the gap there. But bulls managed to bring up the price yet again. And looks like on the last hour and the 5th hour and the last hour, buyers kind of went for that to fill this down gap right here. This big down gap. But quickly was not able to stay above it. As you can see, that long upper wick there. So 382 is gonna be that important level. If I zoom out here, as you can see, that's the prior support level that is acting as a resistance, and also it is coinciding with the gap area. You see what I mean? So that 382 is kind of functioning as almost like a double resistance because the gap and then the prior support. So now it's becoming that pivot there. So we're not able to stay above that. It would have been better if we've closed the day slightly above it and then some sort of move tomorrow. But again, we're in this kind of midterm downtrend. I talked about my primary term, primary term trend analysis on Monday. So definitely check that out, understand the big picture. There's a short-term moving average coming here at 389. So there's that resistance coming down and then the gap area. Obviously at 382.40 is the first level that buyers need to reclaim and then start battling with some of these down gaps here, the big down gaps. And that's kind of, what bulls and bears are looking for. Bears obviously want to kind of keep that 382 going as a resistance and see if they can bring it down again tomorrow. Check out that oscillator. See if we can extract any more information. So that oscillator, we did see that oscillator kind of perking up here. As you can see, a lot of shenanigans did happen on the last 5th and 6th hour. We did see price kind of getting a little bit elevated right there. But that oscillator looks like is seeing that elevation separating. And we might even see that kind of a potentially some sort of a breaking out action. But then again, we will need to see a follow through, right? Follow through move to the upside. Again, next level resistance 389 or so. If we get rejected here though, bears can quickly bring it back down just because we're still right in that resistance area on that oscillator. I'm gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy your evening. Go trading tomorrow.